Good morning everybody, Clive Lambert here from FuturesTechs with another one of our new video updates, and we've been listening to some feedback. I think generally the feedback is that it's a nice addition to the service, it's a nice thing to see. Got to tweak things a little bit, but we're getting there, and I think another general consensus is that you're all a bit sick of seeing my ugly face, but there you go, you're kind of stuck with that, I'm afraid. And I think another thing I'd probably like to make, the way I may go with it, is to just concentrate on one market each particular day. Obviously, if you want to look at a range of markets, or if you're interested in a particular market, you can contact us for a free trial if you're not already a client. So today we're going to look at the Bund, where things have been keeping interesting. Of late there's a few important levels in play, one of them right at this very moment if we're looking at the shorter term volume profile charts, which is something we use as a basis for our analysis. So first to the daily candlestick chart, and you can see that we have a downtrend line on the chart that has come into play in the last few days, and capped upside, and we sold off from there yesterday. That is currently sitting at 140.71 today, hence that's one of our bold resistance levels on our chart today. Now another level that I showed up on the chart today was 140.53, and actually we're just testing that now. I'm just printing 55 as I'm sitting here talking to you, so this is things are getting interesting. We might see that move to 71 now to retest that line, because 53, which capped upside just before, was the 8 o'clock low yesterday morning. You can see there we broke through it here yesterday afternoon on an increase in volume, and it is, as you can see on the volume profile, there is there's very little volume happening between 37 and 53. So we posted 37 and 53 as resistance levels this morning. 37 did a job early doors, then broke and held on the retest. So there was something interesting for the bulls. And 53 is now being tested, and we've got a high volume node above the market, immediately above the market, protecting 71, and that's at 60. Let's just make sure that's exactly where it is. Yeah, 60.61, the high volume node on the composite profile. Because what we're actually doing in market profile terms is currently, I speak, moving back into yesterday's value area, having yesterday's value area low is capping upside a couple of times there, around 53 again, but now we are searching higher into that high volume node around 60, and we're combining the charts to say that the break of 53 could see a reaction to 60 and 61, although if we got back through 53 again, then I would expect to see 38 retested, and then probably back to the lows again. So that's a little bit of colour on how we analyse the markets, and hopefully something that is useful to you. And I thank you very much for listening, and please feel free to contact me if you have any feedback, or any if you want to take a look at the service that we provide. And thanks very much for listening, and have a good day. Bye.